Yeah. Okay, follow along and give you a real quick recipe here. Hello, Chef Pierre, back with another video for you. I've got this butternut squash and I'm rocking it over here. I've got the Braun heavy duty mandolin. Yeah, really like this. This baby's made in France. It's fully adjustable. It's got a set of blades underneath. You can go from julienne to French fry cut. This particular one also has a crinkle cutter blade built in. You can adjust it and move it, and it speeds up and saves time for people that are doing quantities, and it's perfect for coleslaw, cabbage, things like that, or a nice tender butternut squash. So I'm going to show you how to do some slices on here, just like this. And one of the things that I like is that it's nice and consistent, but it's fast. So I go right down to the very bottom. I'm being careful, of course, not too much pressure. Right there, the last piece, we're good to go. It's all through. Look at those slices. I better zoom in on there for you so you can see just what I got. So yeah, if you want to compare these slices I just did to the ones I did with the knife, well, the mandolin wins. More consistent cuts. It's going to be a little more even cooking and possibly faster cooking because they're nice and thin, but that's a beautiful cut right there. Can't argue. I'll put two of them next to each other for you, show you just how consistent they are. They're basically identical. Yeah. Okay, I got one more piece to do here real quick using the stainless steel cut-proof glove, and the one from the sponsor is made in the USA. That's the good stuff. This glove is several years old. It's still going. There's braided stainless steel fibers in here. You can't get cut. I mean, it gives you protection. Extra protection. That's what I'm looking for. Extra protection. Yep. Just like that. All done. Beautiful cuts. Okay, the recipe is very simple. Got a heavy duty stainless steel bowl. I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of Vietnamese cinnamon, just like that, a little bit for flavor, 1/4 teaspoon of fresh ground Hawaiian pink salt. Yeah, full flavor. I can smell it over here. Wow. Pepper. Oh, less than 1/8 of a teaspoon, just a little bit to give it a little zing. Okay, this gets mixed together, just like this. Oh yeah, looking good. Now, the squash goes in here, and we're going to toss it all together. Just like this. Wow. You're learning. That's the recipe right there. I'm going to roast this in a 400-degree oven until it's nice and brown, kind of dried, and it's going to be a snack. All right, I'll be back. Oh, I'm cooking on this rock maple cutting board or countertop surface. This particular one is 24 by 18 by 2 1/4. Love it. The sponsor has these babies in stock. They ship fast. They do countertops. They do islands. They've even done installations. So this is the good stuff right here. When I'm all done, I'm using a bench scraper, and I'm going with the grain, and I'm cleaning and removing any food particles. And you're wondering if I'm doing anything, right? There you go. I just removed some food and some wood particles right there. This is clean. This is good to go for the next preparation. That's Chef's tip of the day. I'll be back. The finished Butternut squash. Looking really good. I'm going to add a little bit of whole nutmeg here. Give it a little bit more complex flavor. Just a little bit. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Score the knives and the cutting boards. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Subscribe right there. Okay, for those of you wondering, the glove is braided stainless steel, and you can score this at your sponsor as well. Gives you an extra level of protection. I'm going to be cutting these in consistent 1/8" slices like this. Yeah, just like that. Knife cuts beautifully. I highly recommend you check it out. I love the design and the style and the shape. Yeah, by the way, this is made in Germany. This is a Japanese super steel. You can't go wrong. The handle is a solid bar of stainless steel. There's a weld here, lifetime warranty. The blue designates the turbo. Turbo's fast, right? Coleslaw. For the full recipe, subscribe. Got my steamed asparagus on there. It's looking really good. The last thing I'm going to add to finish this drunken porterhouse recipe is some of the drunken juice right over the top like this. Oh yeah. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button right down there. Get cooking. Try the recipe. Have a beautiful day. By the way, this set's about 10 years old. Looks brand new. These knives function perfectly. Well maintained, well sharpened. I take care of them. Subscribe on this channel and learn a lot more about knives and knife sets. And with that, get cooking. Have a great day. videos. If you want to learn more about garlic, it's real simple. Subscribe right down here. Put garlic in the little search engine and you're going to find all kinds of things. Garlic facts, garlic nutrition, garlic recipes, how to roast garlic, how to chop garlic, how to mince garlic, how to dice garlic, all kinds of cool stuff. I love it and I eat a lot. Before you, I'm making homemade vanilla extract. I want to show you these awesome vanilla beans. Sponsor's label right here, Chef Depot label. You want to use these together or your own homemade with the beans. Yeah, use these together in any recipe and wow, it's going to really kick. You're going to improve it greatly. The like button right down there so that we know you like the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on, contact the sponsor. They're having a sale and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Oh yeah, got some fresh basil here. It's looking really nice. Look at that color. Smells wonderful. I'm going to roll this basil up, do a really quick chiffonade cut. Just like that. Some of that's going to go on my pasta, of course. Yeah, notice how sharp that knife is and how nice this cut is there. Looking really good. Please like, share, subscribe, smash that like button, let other people find the video. And if you want to see more about portobello mushrooms as well as pasta dishes, just check out this channel. There's a lot of awesome recipes on there. Make sure you leave a comment. Like, share, subscribe, score all the cool stuff at your sponsor, get cooking, and of course for the recipe, subscribe and watch the chef's other videos. You're going to find it. Sourdough bread. Oh, it's going to be good. Oh yeah. Got some homemade clam chowder here. I put extra clams in there, lots of potatoes, some thyme. It's good to go. Make sure you subscribe. You can check out some of the soup recipes that I decided to share. Black pepper, I love it. Oh yeah, let's put a little extra grind on there. 5 years old, it's still going, I love it. Now, if you want one, you can visit the sponsor and you can check them out right there. They got all kinds of them at the sponsor. Star anise. Oh, it's a really nice quality. Hard to find.